Welcome to this test prep skill video covering strategies for solving questions on standardized tests such as the SAT, ACT, GRT, MCAT, and DAT. My name is Matthew, and I'll be your learning guide for this question. If x comma y satisfies the above equation, what is the value of x? Now, most students will use substitution or elimination to solve a system of equations like this. And yes, you can do that. We're going to learn a better approach. This is called the table method. So notice that the values given are the values of x in the answer space. They correspond to a y value. We're going to build a table here, and we're going to use that first equation to determine that. So you're going to take each x value, multiply it by 2, and subtract 1. That gives you 1 there, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay. Now, one of these will work in the second equation. Okay. You don't need to know how to solve systems. You need to know the table method. So we try that. 2 times 1 plus 3 times 1 equals 13. 5 does not equal 13, but we know it's a little bit too small, so let's try a bigger number. Let's actually try letter C. 2 times 3 plus 3 times 5. That's 6 plus 15, 21. That's too big. The answer is probably B. Let's check. 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3. Does that equal 13? Yes, 13 equals 13. We'll actually learn that strategy in another video. Use the table method to solve these questions fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified when my latest instructional videos are posted. To learn more about how you can accelerate your learning, visit tutoringbymatthew.com and schedule your lesson today.